Is your external component the oraops12.dll not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish Oracle Database client links. Before the walkthrough for Oracle Ops 12, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the Oracle Ops 12, the Oracle providers for ASP.NET. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of database sessions and state management, facilitating the data link between web applications and Oracle server manifests. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. Third-party application errors like this are best fixed by reinstalling the affected software. Download and reinstall the latest version of Oracle Database Client to restore Oracle Ops 12.dll safely. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Oracle Ops 12. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't re-establish the interface link, so we'll use a specific command to register the component. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a specific pointer in the registry. If the system cannot locate that reference, the file will fail to load even if it is physically present on the drive. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Oracle Ops 12.dll within your System32 or syswow64 folders. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. A maintenance path for Oracle Ops 12 and system optimization is outlined in the diagnostic resource linked below. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Oracle Ops 12 today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.